I'm Emma.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Anna?
I am very happy today, Jake. I had a wonderful morning.
Oh, what made it wonderful?
I woke up early, I had my coffee by the window, the sun was out, very peaceful.
Ah, the sun. I love sunny mornings. But I did not wake up early today.
No? Why not?
The alarm rang. I pressed snooze.
Snooze. Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze means you stop the alarm for 5 more minutes, you go back to sleep.
5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes.
And then you are late.
Yes, I was a little late today.
Well, Jake, this is actually our topic today.
Being late?
No, our topic is daily routines.
Routines? What is a routine?
A routine is the things you do every day in the same order. For example, I wake up, I make coffee, I open the window. Every day. That is my morning routine.
Ah, a routine is like a plan, but every day.
Exactly. And everyone has a routine, even if it is a little different each day.
I have a routine. I wake up, I press snooze again.
That is a routine, yes.
But first, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Real Easy English Conversation.
And share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you so much. It helps us a lot.
We love our listeners. Okay, let's talk about our day. Let's start in the morning. Jake, what is the first thing you do in the morning after the snooze button?
After snooze, I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed. That is a very common phrase. I get out of bed. What next?
I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Perfect. Those are the basics. Wash your face, brush your teeth. We all do this every day.
Yes, and after that, coffee.
Of course, coffee is very important for you.
Very, very important. I cannot talk before coffee.
I believe you. I also love coffee, but I do one thing before coffee.
Before coffee, what is more important than coffee?
I open the window, fresh air.
Fresh air before coffee? You are very healthy, Anna.
I try. The fresh air wakes me up. My body wakes up naturally.
For me, only coffee wakes me up, nothing else.
Different routines, both are okay. Now, breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Jake?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Jake, breakfast is important.
I know when I have time, I eat toast.
Toast. Good. Quick and easy. I eat a bigger breakfast, yogurt with fruit.
That is healthy. I only have toast with butter.
Toast is good. Simple. And what about after breakfast? You get ready?
Yes, I take a shower. A very hot shower.
Very hot.
Very, very hot. It wakes me up, like coffee, but for my body.
That is a good description. Coffee for my body. I take a warm shower. Then I get dressed.
Getting dressed. This is my problem, and Judy.
Your problem?
Yes, I open my wardrobe. My wardrobe is where I keep my clothes. I look inside and I think, I have nothing to wear.
Jake, you have many clothes.
I know, but nothing looks right in the morning. I try one shirt, no. I try another, no.
How long does this take?
Maybe 20 minutes, maybe 20.
20 minutes just for clothes?
Yes.
I have a solution, Jake.
Please tell me.
Choose your clothes the night before. Before you sleep, you pick your outfit for tomorrow. In the morning, no thinking, just put them on.
Oh, the night before. That is very smart.
It saves a lot of time and stress.
I will try this tonight. Choose my clothes tonight for tomorrow.
Exactly, you got it. Good. Now you're dressed, time to go to work. How do you commute?
Commute? What is commute?
Commute means travel from home to work every day. How do you travel to work?
Oh, I take the bus. I commute by bus.
Good. I commute by bus. Is it crowded?
Very crowded. Many people.
And what do you do on the bus?
I put in my headphones. I listen to music or a podcast.
A podcast like Real Easy English.
Yes, real easy English on the bus. Very useful.
I hope so. I commute by walking.
You walk every day?
Yes, about 20 minutes. I enjoy walking in the morning.
20 minutes is a long walk.
I don't mind. I look at the trees, I think about my day. No headphones, just thinking.
Just thinking. It is very peaceful.
I like that idea. Peaceful. It means calm, quiet.
Yes, exactly. Peaceful, calm, quiet, no stress. My morning walk is peaceful.
My bus is not peaceful.
No, but the podcast helps.
Okay, we arrive at work. Jake, what is the first thing you do?
I make a coffee.
Another coffee?
The home coffee and the work coffee. 2 coffees.
2 coffees every morning.
Sometimes 3.
Jake.
I know. And then I check my emails. I start my tasks.
Me too. I read my emails first, then I plan my tasks for the day. Tasks means the work I need to do.
Yes, I have many tasks. Sometimes too many.
And then dinner? Do you cook?
I try, but I'm not a great cook.
What happened?
One time I made pasta. The pasta was okay, but I put too much salt.
Too much salt.
I took one bite and I drank a lot of water after. A lot.
Too much salt is a common mistake.
And one time I forgot the pasta in the water for too long.
Oh no, and the pasta?
Very soft. Very soft. Like soup. Pasta soup.
Pasta soup. That is creative, Jake.
My cooking is very creative. That's a good word for it.
I love that. Okay, so what do you make now?
Simple things. Pasta, eggs. Sometimes I order food.
Ordering food is easy and sometimes necessary.
Very easy and delicious.
I like to cook in the evening. I have more time after work. I make soup or vegetables.
That is healthy.
And I find cooking relaxing. Chopping vegetables, listening to music.
Chopping? You mean cutting?
Yes, chopping is cutting food into small pieces. I chop the onion, I chop the carrots.
Ah, chopping. I chop badly.
Practice makes perfect.
Maybe I order food and you chop.
Good system. And the evening after dinner, what do you do?
I watch a series on TV or my phone.
What kind of series?
Drama, action, sometimes comedy. I like comedy.
Yes, comedy is good after a long day. Laughing helps you relax.
Relax. Put down all the stress. Be comfortable.
Exactly. Very good. And I read before bed. About 35 minutes.
Reading before bed. I try, but I fall asleep after 2 pages.
That means the book is relaxing you.
Very relaxing. What time do you go to bed, Judy?
I go to bed at 10.
10. That is early.
I am a morning person. I wake up early, so I sleep early.
I go to bed at midnight.
Midnight, Jake?
I know. One more episode, then one more, then one more.
And your phone. Do you look at your phone before bed?
Yes, I check messages. I look at social media just for a few minutes.
A few minutes?
Maybe 35 minutes.
Jake?
Maybe 1 hour.
Jake.
I know. The phone is bad before sleep. Blue light. It wakes up your brain.
Exactly. Blue light is the light from your phone or computer screen. It tells your brain it is daytime. Do not sleep.
So my brain thinks it is daytime at midnight?
Yes, that is why it is hard to sleep.
I need to put the phone down, but it is very hard.
Try to put the phone down 35 minutes before bed. Just 35 minutes.
35 minutes. No phone. I can try.
Good. Your brain will thank you.
My brain says thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Jake's brain. Okay, back to your evening. What time do you sleep?
Very late. One more episode, then one more, then one more.
One more episode. The most dangerous 3 words.
And then it is midnight.
So, Jake, you are an evening person. You like the evening, you like to stay up late.
Yes, I am an evening person. I am good at night, not in the morning.
And I'm a morning person. I'm good in the morning, not at midnight.
Morning person, evening person. Both are okay.
Both are completely normal. The important thing is to know yourself and make a routine that works for you.
That makes sense. Work with your body, not against it.
Exactly. You said it perfectly. Okay, let's review what we talked about today.
Yes, review time.
Today, we talked about daily routines.
Yes, all the things we do every day. In the morning, at work, in the evening.
Good. In the morning, we wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth,
And drink coffee, very important.
and eat breakfast. Then we get dressed and commute to work.
Commute, travel from home to work. Jake by bus, Judy by walking.
Good, you remembered. At work, we check emails, do our tasks, and have a lunch break.
Buy lunch or bring lunch from home.
After work, we go home, change into comfortable clothes, relax, cook dinner, watch TV, read, and then sleep. Morning people sleep early, evening people sleep late. Both are normal. Perfect. You've remembered everything, Jake. I learned a lot today about routines and about your organized night before system. The night before system works. Try it. I will tonight. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Real Easy English Conversation. Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun talking about our day. Please subscribe to Real Easy English Conversation and give this episode a like. It helps us so much. And share it with a friend who is learning English. And we have a question for you today. Yes, please leave a comment below. Are you a morning person or an evening person? And tell us one thing you do every day. Write it in English. We would love to read your answers. See you next time. Bye, everyone.